Hello friends, we are going to discuss some financial and economic news highlights for competitive and academic examinations. Coal India to import for first time in years as power shortage looms. For first time since 2015, Coal India is importing fuel, highlighting the efforts to stock up to avoid repeat of April when India faced its worst power cuts in more than 6 years. India is expected to face wider coal shortage during third quarter of 2022 due to expectations of higher electricity demand, stoking fears of widespread power outages. 5G spectrum auction. India starts groundwork, service rollout by 2022-23. India is the world's second largest telecom markets, with telecom operators intending to put out 5G mobile services by 2022-23. It is expected that 5G will add $450 billion to Indian economy, boosting the speed of development and creating the jobs. It will aid in digitization of the economy, the growth of startup environment, better governance, and ease of doing business. Citing misuse. UIDAI suggests sharing mask Aadhaar instead of photocopies. UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, has warned the people not to share photocopies of Aadhaar with any organization citing its misuse. Authority has suggested use of mask Aadhaar, which displays only last 4 digits of your Aadhaar number that can be downloaded from their website. US surpasses China as India's biggest trading partner in financial year 22 at $119.42 billion. According to the data, bilateral trade between US and India stood at $119.42 billion as against $80.51 billion in 2020 21. Exports to US increased to $76.11 billion in 2021 22, and imports rose to $43.31 billion. Exports to China increased to $21.25 billion in 2021, and imports jumped to $94.16 billion. Rakesh Mohan Joshi, Director of Indian Institute of Plantation Management, too has said India is a home to 1.39 billion people with the world's third largest consumer market and fastest growing market economy with unparalleled demographic dividend provides enormous opportunities for US and Indian firms for technology transfer, manufacturing, trade and investment. For first time, India Post delivers mail using drone in Gujarat under pilot. Department of Post for first time delivered mail using the drone as a part of pilot project in Gujarat Kutch district covering a distance of 46 kilometers in 25 minutes, officials have said. It has taken 25 minutes for parcel to reach the destination when it was a medical parcel. In case you have liked, please subscribe and share us. Thank you.